What's up, YouTubers? Here with Volkswagen Tiguan, trying to make a 12-volt fuse. So if your 12-volt cigarette lighter is not working, your charger is not working, to unlock the car, given it's a hot summer day, I'm going to show you a real quick trick to let all the hot air out the car. You're just going to put the key as such in the slot, and then you're going to press left to unlock, and you're going to just watch all your windows open up nicely, let all that heat out of the car. Just continue to hold like that, and all the windows drop. Once they drop, take your key out. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video though. So what we're trying to do, since your 12-volt cigarette lighter fuse doesn't work, what you want to do is come over to your footwell side. You got this drop panel here. Just gonna pull on this gently, and right back here. So you drop this down right over here. And what you're gonna do is press this side and this side with both fingers. Hard to do with the camera, but I'm gonna put the camera aside for a second and press both sides here and there while pushing this down. Be right back when I'm done. All right, so once you push this side and this side, squeeze it together at the same time and pull this down so it gets past these notches. What you wanna do is come over at the fuses, and in particular, you're looking for fuse 31, which is right over here, this 20 amp fuse. In my situation, all you do is take a fuse puller, pull this out, check the fuse, make sure that you have continuity. All right, that's 31, and 54 in some cars, which is right over here, but I don't have anything in that slot. That's for different auxiliary power. Right here, I do have this 31. As you can see, the little numbers are right above it, so you'll be able to find 54 and 31, and that is the fuse you need to replace. Once you replace that fuse, you can just pop this back up as such, close it, and you should have 12-volt power in your Volkswagen Tiguan. That's also where one of the fuse boxes is.